Throughout your job, you will encounter some work where you may have to run or modify electrical circuits. Electrical conduit systems provide a protective housing through which electrical conductors are routed. The most common types of electrical conduit systems are rigid metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing or EMT, flexible metal conduit, liquid-tight flexible metallic conduit, and rigid non-metallic conduit or PVC. Other components of a conduit system are boxes, conduit bodies, fittings, and supports. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, lists uses and specifications for installation of each type of conduit. Working with electrical conduit may also require you to determine conduit trade size and fill, as well as install and bend conduit. Remember to always adhere to applicable NEC specifications, as well as those of your facility. Select Next to continue. Rigid metal conduit has thicker walls than other types of conduit, giving it greater strength and durability. Rigid metal conduit is suitable for most conditions, especially those requiring more protection, such as hazardous areas or loading dock areas with high vehicle traffic. Rigid metal conduit may be used in most locations, subject to restrictions and conditions. Select Next to continue. Fittings join pieces of the conduit system together. Fittings include couplings, connectors, and specialized conduit pieces. Couplings connect two pieces of conduit together. Connectors join the conduit to a box and conduit bodies. Conduit bodies are specialized conduit pieces with removable covers. Select Next to continue.